And we begin with the latest on the pandemic. Hundreds of law enforcement personnel in Fresno County have received the first dose of the COVID vaccine, but still there is some vaccine hesitancy. Our Jocelyn Moran live from the Fresno County Sheriff's Office with more on what the response has been like. Jocelyn.
Now, well, Sheriff Margaret Mims says there are around 4,000 people involved with law enforcement agencies in Fresno County, and a little more than half have decided to get the vaccine so far. The sheriff also saying given the congregate setting inside the Fresno County jail and the exposure that comes with the job, it was extremely important for personnel here to get vaccinated.
Not only for our own safety, but the safety that we work for, the people we work with, and our families, for anybody out there in the public.
Many first responders throughout Fresno County have received the first dose of the COVID-19 vaccine. Some correctional officers among the first.
They actually got the vaccines at the same time as our medical providers did. So they were the very first ones because they were actively working on the floor where there were COVID positive inmates.
The Fresno County Jail has been hit hard by COVID-19 outbreaks, and agencies throughout the county have lost some of their own. Sheriff Margaret Mims received her first dose earlier this month.
I made it very public when I got my vaccine, so the word was, if I can do this, so can you.
Fresno Police Chief Paco Valderrama also received his vaccine.
I had talked with the Chief Valderrama about it. You know, he's actually received both doses. He really felt like it was the best thing for our officers, for their families. So after talking to him, I felt really comfortable with it and I agreed, and that's why I decided to get the vaccine.
When the police department conducted a survey on its officers, Lieutenant Rob Beckwith says around 60% said they'd get it, while around 40% said they wouldn't. Joe Prado with the Fresno County Health Department last week acknowledged potential vaccine hesitancy among first responders, adding that the health department would soon be getting feedback from that vaccine clinic as well.